In the last video, we saw how to create a workspace and then link to our Eclipse IDE projects. In this tutorial, we will see how to create a project, and we will use Selenium and Java together to create our automation project. We will create on Java project, which will be our automation project, and we will use Java programming and Selenium together. Before going to create the projects for our automation or Selenium project, uh, sometimes you will hear that Java project or Selenium projects or automation projects using Java all means the same thing. For this type of case, we just need to create a Java project, and inside the Java project we will install all the Selenium packages inside it. We can create the Java project for our automation testing or Selenium project different ways. We can directly click, you can click file and from there new, and then from there you can choose Java projects, or there is another option also. Here in the package explorer you can see create a Java project. From here you can also create the Selenium projects or Java projects for your Selenium testing. So once you click there, you will find this type of uh, project creation panel. I'm going to cancel it, and then I will create the same project. I mean the same way I can create the project from file and new. Then we have to choose Java project, and it will prompt us the same window. So from here we will create the project for our automation testing. Now type a project name for your Selenium project. For my case, I'm typing the project name is as like fast Selenium project, but you are free to use any of the project name. And we see here where this project is pointing to Java JDK on point 8. If you want to change to other version, then you can also point it, but for that case you need to install of that version of JDK. Now once you are done, then click on finish button to create the project. It will take some time, like few seconds, and once it is finished you will see the project is created on the project explorer. If we expand, you will see two things. One is JRE system library and SRC. SRC is the main code block, like source code. uh, we'll create later. And then here we are seeing JRE system library. This is actually the Java system library. We have JDK 1.8. If we expand, then we'll see these are the jars of that JRE system library. So our project creation is complete. So we completed two things. One is orchestration setup, and after that we created project creation. And now we are going to the next step to download Selenium and install Selenium with this project. So in the next video tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Selenium in this project. Thank you for watching.